Professor Oiva Toika is someone who's been designing glass birds for over 40 years. Professor Toika is an artist. He's not a glass blower. He originally worked at the Arabia ceramics factory and was working as a ceramicist. And then he came to Nuutjärvi and started doing some glass works, designed a bird, and I guess you could say the rest is history. He's designed over 400 birds in his long career with iittala. Well, iittala is a 135-year-old design company that was started in 1881 in a glass factory in the town of Iittala, Finland, where we still produce glass today. We design and produce objects for the home. We produce barware, dinnerware, flatware, cookware, and several different interior objects, one of which is the beautiful birds that we're celebrating this weekend. Arto and Kirsi are both glass blowers who work at the Nuutjärvi Glassworks. Arto is a master blower, which is a title that you have to earn by demonstrating different talents. Kirsi is in the process of studying to be a master blower, and hopefully within the next 12 months, she will have that same title.
An average day working in the Nuutjärvi factory is like we come in at 7 o'clock and punch our time card, and then we gather up our team and set up our bench and all the tools and all the colors, and then start working with the birds.
Kyllähän mä aika paljon on kehitellyt niin periaatteessa just niin näitä oivanlintujakin paljon, kun joskus tullut kehiteltyä ihan omalla ajallakin, mutta tää on
I have really high standards myself, and when I do something I like to do it like perfectly, and it's really gratifying to see, you know, how many people here appreciate the work we do.
The relationship between iittala and the Museum of Glass is a wonderful relationship with a very rich history. Our relationship is based on our joint love of glass and appreciation for the works of Oiva Toika.